Check, check, checky, check, check, checky, check, 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 mic, check. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, troops, wherever you are in the world. Welcome to the channel, Mark. That's me, my words, where we cover trading, traveling, and training. Now, before I get started on today's analysis, please do hit the subscribe button. We are growing, troops. We're growing. We've hit 80 plus subs. We're nearly at the magic 100, so we can get the custom URL, which you will all share in the glory of reaching such a target. Who'd have thought it when I set this up about a month ago that there'd be over 80 people interested in hearing what I've got to say. But thanks for the support. I really appreciate it. Anyway, let's get into today's quick analysis on our two favorite meme stocks, AMC and GME. So looking at AMC, obviously the start of the day, it kicked off really nice, really strong. And I suspect this little uptick here was built up, pent up buy-in, waiting on the back of the earnings call yesterday, which was extremely positive. We soon came back down with a bang and we soon rebounded again. And then we hit this sideways kind of consolidation here. We did have a golden cross, which generally signals a little bit of bullish momentum. It didn't really pan out. We had a death cross pretty soon after that. And then we hit this descending channel wedge, whatever you want to call it here. Two things to note here. We did manage to maintain support at around 990, not just once, but twice. And eventually we broke out of the descending wedge at around 1005 area. That then acted as a little bit of support, which gave us a catapult for the remainder of the day, where we found our little bit of consolidation there. We did have another golden cross towards the end of the day, which again is a good bullish indicator. It's only on the 1 minute chart though, so take it with a pinch of salt because other charts may not be as reflective. And we eventually ended the day at $10.28, a gain of $4.37%, 43 cents overall. Not spectacular, not a disaster. When you look at this, you can start to look at this during the day. And if you're watching it during the day, you can get quite despondent, which is why, aside from having other things to do, I try not to look too much at the charts. But we did get that kicker at the end, which for me is a really strong sign. So that's it for AMC. Just have a quick look on Fintel, as we always do. Again, usual disclaimer applies. This is not all brokerages. It's not necessarily all shares that are available to short. Currently 4.2 million as of 10 minutes ago. Not much change from this morning. Borrow fee is coming down again. It's now down below 4%. Hardly surprising, really. The more shares there are available, the lower risk the lenders see on the stock. So that's it for AMC. Quick look at GME. There's quite a bit to talk about here, not just on the chart, but in general. So again, we started the day with what I think is significant drop because let me move the... Oh, it is on the right one. So yeah, a significant drop down to around 233, I think it was. Low 232.95, which triggered SSR. And I believe there's something in that for the rest of the week based on some due diligence that I've read. And I'll point that out as we go through the video. So we did rebound extremely quickly, which was good to see, quite powerful there. And then we kind of, again, we did enter this tight range here. We had a golden cross and a death cross within a minute of each other, then another golden cross, then I missed that one, a death cross, and then another golden cross. So we were pretty much quite tightly banded together throughout the day. We did try, and we tested 280 on a couple of occasions. We did break out of the descending level of resistance there, but we were unable to sustain that into the day, and we finished on $260, a whole $5 down on yesterday's price. Is that significant? Maybe. It's strange to me that it closes at exactly $5 down, 1.89%. Again, as I say every day, if you woke me up this morning and said, "Do you know what, Mark, after yesterday, it's going to be a fairly calm day. You'll only lose 1.89% of your 400% gains or whatever it is at the moment." Do you mind? Not at all. No, I don't mind at all. So just take it for what it is. And let's see how tomorrow pans out. Obviously, it's weekly options expiry, so there might be something going on there. Quick look at Fintel for GME. This is 2 hours ago. 750 shares. Now the borrow fee is now less than 1%. So that's dropped as well. Take from that what you will. Now there is some good reading. If you watched this morning's video, which I will put up as we finish here, you will see that I've credited and linked this guy, Hey It's Pixel. He does do some really in-depth due diligence, and he's got some good theories on what is happening. So again, I'll link this. Go and read it. He posted that this morning, I believe, or this afternoon, 9 hours ago. So yeah, this afternoon, Central European time, SET there, Central European time. And this is where I got the information that the SSR for tomorrow could be significant. So go and have a read of that if you're interested. It's not hard reading, so you know it's all fairly straightforward to follow, and make your own mind up. So that is it. I did do today something a little bit different, something which I've tried doing before and failed because my memory is like a goldfish. But today I did finish my first day trade. My first successful scalp, I think you call it. So I got a notification. Well, I didn't get a notification. I was looking at Twitter, and I follow this girl, I Love Gains. Go and give her a follow on Twitter. And she mentioned OCGN and said it was running. So I quickly logged on, had a look at the chart. They've had some news, something I think to do with in India. They've had some news anyway. It gave them a real bump. You see the golden cross there, gave them a bump. I managed to get in. I bought 100 shares at $9.24. I watched for a while, and I noticed that, oops, get rid of that. I noticed that there was a nice W pattern forming here, like this, where you get two double bottoms up like that, and then we had this second leg of the W, which signifies, you know, it's generally going to pop up when you get this big green candle here. It's generally a bullish indicator. So, and then it held that line for a while, and then the big red candle here was my signal to get out. So I managed to get out at $10.24 for a gain of 10.82%, which I was really quite pleased about, because it's the first time I've managed to do that, and it was all done in under an hour. So, you know, $100 in an hour, you'd take that. If someone offered you a job, there's $100 an hour. Yes, please. Not that you can do it a lot, you know. You need to, with this kind of trading, you need to be sat at your computer. Fortunately, I was at home, and I, you know, got an opportunity to log on quickly, make a buy monitor it for an hour and then get out when I saw that it was time to get out. So something new for the channel, something to, something that I'll be looking to do again and share with you. So yeah, really pleased with that little scalp. It's an extra $100 in the wallet, minus taxes, of course, and a good experience. Really good experience. Good to close it out. So that's all I've got time for today, troops. Tomorrow I will be live streaming for Market Open for the last day of the week. I should be starting my stream at around about 3:25 in the afternoon, US Eastern Time. No, excuse me, 9:25 a.m. US Eastern Time, 3:25 p.m. Central European Time, 2:25 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, and look at your watch and make the time up at any other time. Okay, so thanks for watching. Do check out my other videos here. I've got something exciting coming up for the weekend as well for those that are interested in cycling. So do, again, hit subscribe down there. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, and carry us on this journey. Cheers, troops.